I'm Darren Greer. I own Elite Carpet Cleaning in Townsville. We cover areas as far north as Cardwell, out to Charters Towers and down to Bowen. Services we provide are carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, curtain cleaning, pest control services. I've been with Elite since 2003. Previously to joining Elite, I had a trade in the printing industry for about 8 years, mainly shift work. One of the main reasons I wanted to move into the Elite family was just for the flexibility it provided with running your own business with a growing family. I would really want it to be in the picture a lot more. You can choose to take a day off and work around that, spend it with the family when the occasion arises. Being an Elite franchisee has a lot of benefit. There's a whole Australia-wide network you can call on for advice, tips and tricks. Over the last few years, I've managed to build the business up to a point where I can actually manage the business, and I do have technicians working for me now, so that has taken a bit off my plate as in labour-intensive work. I've got 2 guys working with me now, and it allows me to manage the business better in the office and focus on promoting the business, also doing the bookkeeping. I believe an Elite franchise is suitable for young families that need to be more flexible, want to be there when the time arises for the children, not have to do shift work like myself where you just worked all night, slept all day. You actually can take the kids to school, pick them up, be there for any of their sporting events, etc. Some of the principles I believe for running a business to be organised, make sure you've got all your equipment together, make sure everything's clean and everything will run a lot smoother. You need to be punctual, be at your customer's house on time if not a little bit earlier. Give them a call if you're running late, build up a rapport with your customers, that way they will ring you first before ringing any other company.